Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Sending money through Gcash is easy, but what if you want to know the full name of the receiver? Here's how you can check it quickly. First of all, open your Gcash app on your mobile device and log into your account. Next, tap on the History tab to see all your past transactions. Scroll through the transaction history and find the transaction for which you want to know the receiver's full name. Once you have selected the transaction, you will see the details page for that transfer. Under the receiver section, you will find the full name of the person you sent money to. Remember, the receiver's full name is only visible for completed transactions. If you need further details or have issues, you can always contact Gcash customer support. And that's it. You now know how to quickly find the full name of your Gcash receiver. Thanks for watching.